If you're ready for your next motorhome, bring the family down to General RV to experience the Fleetwood Discovery LXE. Hi, I'm Tom Bennett, your motorhome specialist at General RV. Let's take a closer look at this one-of-a-kind coach. The Fleetwood Discovery LXE sits on the Freedom Bridge chassis, which uses some of the best Freightliner components on the market. You have a 450 horsepower engine, you've got a steerable tag axle, Freightliner's V-Ride rear axle, and independent front suspension. You also have 3 full pass-through bays on this motorhome, so you have tons of space to bring whatever you'd like. Also on the outside, you'll see an exterior entertainment and dual Girard awnings to keep you nice and cool. Let's take a look inside. So this is the Discovery LXE. Now this floor plan itself is the 44S, but there are floor plans ranging all the way from 36 feet up to 44 feet. So a really wide range of available options for you. I'd like to start up front. Fleetwood really lays this out in a nice way. It's a very comfortable big seat that you have here. You can see all of your controls very easily from your OptiView digital dash, which has your tire pressure monitoring readouts, to your Mobileye collision avoidance system you have right here. A really nice touch on how they did this is they separated your cameras with your navigation, so you really don't have to lose one to see the other, and that's just a really nice touch to it. It seems very simple. There's not too many buttons to worry about, so you really can focus on your road trip that you're on. All right, let's take a look at the living room. Now this has one of the most interesting layouts that's really out there at all. In most motorhomes, what you see is couches across from each other, so you kind of sit there and look at each other if you're having a seat. In this motorhome, they give you this really long couch. On either end here, it's a motorized recliner, and these two in the center actually pull out to a queen-size bed. You also have a drop-down bed right there, so this is a really comfortable motorhome to accommodate a large family without having to specifically be a bunkhouse. With your dining area here, it's just a little bit longer on either side. So you have a little bit more elbow room, a little bit more storage on either side. And this dining area overlooks your patio. So I think that's a nice setup with where your window is located there. You have a fireplace built into this motorhome with some extra storage behind it. So right here you have your all-electric residential refrigerator with your water on the door, French doors, and then a pull-out there on the bottom. And then you have a really nice kitchen on this layout. It is just so long and wide with some extra depth for some counter space back there. You've got a beautiful window right there. Induction cooktop where they recess them so you have even more counter space. And then a pull out right here too. So this is really a chef's kitchen and it works out very, very well. Lots of storage in this motorhome too. I mean, you have cabinets that go all the way around this 44-foot motorhome. So right here you have your half bath. I want to point out that there's tons of counter space in here and a very large sink. So if you do travel with family, it's just going to make things even more comfortable. Directly behind that, you have your Firefly multiplex wiring control center here. So this is where you control the whole motorhome, everything from your lights to your generator information, your inverter. You can see where all your levels are in a very easy to get to space. AC controls, vent covers, and then slides as well. Also, you can hook this up to the mobile app so you can control it from anywhere in the world. 1,000 miles away from the RV, you could turn the AC up or down. And I think that's a pretty neat tech feature for a newer motorhome. Another pretty interesting part of this floor plan is your master suite. Here you have your king-size bed. It's a sleep number with dual controls on both sides. You also have outlets on either end. And this is where things start to get very interesting. Most motorhomes are just gonna have your bathroom in the back. They're not gonna have nearly the amount of storage you have here with 2 full-size hanging closets. You got 8 large drawers there. And then this one actually has a televator that comes up. So whether you wanna look out the window or have the TV on, it's gonna be an easy thing for you to do. As you move towards the back, this is where you have your washer dryer. So this has got a really residential feel as it would compare to most motorhomes. It's a side-by-side washer dryer with a great area here where you can fold clothes or just use it for additional storage. I just think that's a wonderful touch. On this side here, you have a gigantic, fully tiled shower. It's got a seat built into it, but this is bigger than some home showers are, so it's going to be very comfortable if you choose to live in the RV or if it's just for the weekend. Right back here, you have a dual vanity setup. I want to point out how much depth you have to this one. It's going to be very comfortable and residential for use, and you've got a great amount of storage on both sides with these nice pull-out pantry setups. And then another interesting thing is this closed-off bathroom. Most of them just have a toilet right there next to your shower. This one actually closes it off, so it has a feel that's just a lot more like home. Thank you for joining me for a first look at the Fleetwood Discovery LXE, one of the best-selling diesel motorhomes ever. To find out more about the Discovery LXE, head to one of our nationwide family-owned supercenters or visit us at our website, generalrv.com. Until next time, I'm Tom Bennett, motorhome specialist at General RV. See you down the road.